So here we have the 2011 Crown Vic. I'm just gonna walk around it real quick. It does have to be washed, but other than that, it's a gorgeous car. I'm gonna show you what the inside looks like and turn it on so you could hear the engine. So we have the door. This is what the interior looks like. Back seat. Ooh, very nice. No rips, no tears, nothing. Look at that. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on real quick, and then that way you can hear the engine. 58,000 miles. You have an updated radio. You can connect your phone, AC. Let's see what's in here. Ooh. Original books. You still move the seat back and forth. I'll go ahead and show you the hood as well. Just want to show you the top portion, and then I'll also show you the trunk. So this is what the engine looks like, what it sounds like. It's running. Look at that. Look at all this space you get back here. And then you have your floor mats that match the front. Yeah, you have a lot of space.